Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Google name on your Android device. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button on this video. Let's get started. First of all, make sure your Google account application is up to date. If it's not, then go to the Play Store and update the application. Once that's done, open the email application on your device. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner, then click on Google Account. From there, go to the Personal Info section. Scroll down until you find the Name option and tap on it. Next, click on your Google account name and you'll be able to change it from there. After making the change, simply click Save. As you can see, my Google account name is now changed. So, friends, if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.